Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will learning how to access items. That means one item or more items in a list or a tuple. We put list and tuple together because their items can be accessed by their index numbers. List and tuple items are indexed. We already talked about that in the previous lectures. Okay, we can index a list or tuple in such order. The first one is 0. For example, this is a letter list A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. The first one, A, his index is 0. B, the second one, the index is 1. The third is 2, and so on and so forth. We also can use the negative number, means the index, but we from end to the beginning in such order. For example, -1 refers to the last item, the last one, and -2 means the second, -3 means the third last item, each here, and so on, so forth. Okay, a range of index, we use start and semicolon end to access a range of a list or a tuple with the start index, start. This is the start index. End means the end index. But here the end index is excluded. 0 index can be missed. Just write as a semicolon end in this way. Let's see some concrete examples. For example, for a name list, Alice, Mike, Tom, John, Susan, anyhow, any things, you can use numbers, or here's just a name list. Put some name. Let's name list 0. That means we take the first item, Alex. -1, just know we mentioned the last one. That means that's Susan. If we use name list 2 semicolon 4, that means from 2. This is the first one is 0, 1, 2. That means from the Tom to 4. But the fourth one excluded. You see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Susan is the fourth, but excluded. So we only take Tom, the John. You see, the 2 to 4. That means. And if the first one is 0, here means 0, we can omit it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Susan is the fourth. We just exclude it. Then we got Alex, Mike, Tom, John. Okay, let's put this into the Python idle. Just write. You can see what the results looks like. Here, it looks like this. We write it. New file. We run the module must be saved. First, go to our folder to install the code. Python study, we give a name list tuple item access. Yeah, give a very detailed name. We can see clearly what these files it is list tuple item access. Let's see. You see, we get exactly like this. Alex, yeah, Susan, Tom, John. Okay. Okay. This is the lecture. For the next lecture, we will talk about how to access the set item. And if you are ready, just go ahead for the next lecture. See you then.